How to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in setting. First open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click your network adapter and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer. Click on Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, uninstall your network adapter. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Device Manager. Uncheck it and press OK. Open Services. Locate WLAN Auto Config and double-click on it. In Startup type select Automatic. Click on Start the service. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type System Configuration. Click on Enable All and press OK. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching.